Hello everybody, welcome back to Channel Z Machinery. Outdoor pig farming is gaining traction as a sustainable and ethical approach to pork production. Two notable examples are Patoa Farms in New Zealand and British pork producers working with Co-op Food. These farms showcase how millions of pigs can be raised outdoors while ensuring high welfare standards and environmental responsibility. Patoa Farms, founded by Steve Stern and Jens Raven, is New Zealand's largest pig farm, producing approximately 100,000 pigs annually. Their unique approach emphasizes free-range rearing, allowing pigs to roam in open paddocks rather than confined spaces. This method aligned with their commitment to sustainability. The farm recycles manure and straw into compost, reducing waste and enhancing soil health. Additionally, their pork products carry certifications like Pig Care and SPCA Blue Tick, signifying adherence to stringent welfare standards. Similarly, Co-op Food's British pork suppliers prioritize ethical farming practices. All Co-op branded pork, bacon, sausages, and ham are sourced from RSPCA assured farms, ensuring that pigs are born and reared in outdoor systems. This commitment guarantees high animal welfare while providing consumers with responsibly produced meat. The approach also aligns with growing consumer demand for transparency and sustainability in food sourcing. Outdoor pig farming presents several advantages. It enhances animal well-being by allowing pigs to exhibit natural behaviors, such as rooting and wallowing. Additionally, it supports environmental sustainability by integrating manure recycling and reducing the carbon footprint of pig production. While challenges like weather exposure and land use exist, innovative practices and certifications ensure that outdoor pig farming remains a viable and ethical solution. With an emphasis on fertility research, the farm conducts artificial insemination through in vivo fertilization, enhancing reproductive efficiency. Sperm collection and preparation contribute to continuous improvements in clinical processes beyond reproduction alone. Once inseminated, pregnant sows are transferred to farrowing pens, where they receive 7 meals daily to ensure adequate milk production for their litters. After about a month, healthy piglets move to weaning pens, where feeding and cleaning are automated to meet precise nutritional needs. The final farming stage takes place in the porker plan, a fully self-contained system for feeding, weight control, and finishing. Pigs, often called pokes, are tagged with identification chips for monitoring and management. Over the next few months, they are assessed for meat quality and safety, reaching an ideal finishing weight of 100 kilograms. Certified disease-free by the Department of Veterinary Services and approved by the Singapore Food Agency, PFA Pasapauts exports 2,000 live pigs weekly to Singapore. With aspirations to enhance Sarawak's net food exports by 2030, this success is made possible through the dedication of teams at PFA Pasapauts, Semenjang, and Green Breeder SDN BHD. The pig slaughtering process has evolved significantly with automation, strict hygiene standards, and animal welfare considerations. A modern pig slaughter line, such as the one showcased in the Vicons van Weinsbergen slaughterhouse, can process up to 300 pigs per hour, ensuring both speed and precision. Pigs are transported to the slaughterhouse in controlled conditions to minimize stress. Before slaughter, they are stunned using electrical or CO2 gas stunning methods, ensuring a humane process. After stunning, pigs are bled efficiently to ensure high-quality meat. They then enter a scalding tank where hot water, around 60 degrees Celsius, loosens hair and dirt. Automatic dehairing machines remove bristles, and the carcass is flame-treated to eliminate remaining hairs. The evisceration process is done using automated equipment, ensuring food safety and compliance with regulations. The pig carcass is split in half using high-speed saws and inspected for quality. It is then chilled at controlled temperatures to ensure proper aging and texture development. Once the pig carcasses are properly chilled, they move to the pork cutting line, where they are transformed into various meat cuts for further processing or direct sale. The carcasses are divided into primal cuts such as shoulders, loins, ribs, and hams using automated bandsaws and conveyor systems. The meat is deboned and trimmed to remove excess fat and ensure uniformity in cuts. The pork cuts are sorted based on customer specifications, packaged and shipped to supermarkets, butcher shops, and processing plants. Semi-smoked sausage production is an intricate process requiring quality raw materials, proper seasoning, and controlled smoking techniques. The Stellano v. Kuzbasi HD video provides insight into how modern factories create delicious, high-quality sausages. Selected pork cuts, often shoulder and belly, are ground to a specific texture. Fat content is carefully balanced to achieve the desired consistency and flavor. A blend of natural spices, salt, and curing agents, such as nitrates, is added. The mixture is kneaded in industrial mixers to ensure even distribution of flavors. The seasoned meat is stuffed into natural or synthetic casings using automated stuffing machines. Precision-controlled filling ensures uniform sausage sizes. The sausages are pre-cooked at specific temperatures to maintain texture and safety. Smoking chambers use wood chips, e.g., beech or oak, to impart a smoky aroma and extend shelf life. After smoking, the sausages are rapidly cooled to lock in flavor. They are vacuum sealed or packaged using modified atmosphere packaging, MAP, to enhance freshness. A well-integrated meat processing facility ensures that every part of the pig is utilized efficiently. The synergy between modern slaughtering, precise pork cutting, and advanced sausage-making techniques ensures high productivity and minimal waste. Strict hygiene standards and advanced tracking systems ensure meat safety. Robotics and AI-driven processing lines improve efficiency and consistency. Many factories now focus on reducing waste by utilizing byproducts for pet food, fertilizers, or biofuel. The modern pig processing industry has significantly evolved, with technology-driven advancements in slaughtering, cutting, and sausage production. Automated systems, strict hygiene controls, and optimized production lines ensure that consumers receive high-quality, safe, and flavorful meat products. The insights from the Vikons van Weinsbergen slaughter line and the Stellano v Kuzbase HD sausage production video highlight the precision and efficiency of today's meat processing industry.